Hey guys, what's up? My name is Balaji and welcome to my channel. Well, I met few of them who still don't believe in vaccination, COVID vaccination. I'm here to tell you that COVID vaccination is completely safe. Let me tell you how it exactly works, alright? Like, say for example, you get vaccinated and people they expect that as soon as they get vaccinated, they're completely safe. No, in order for that vaccination to provide or to generate the immune system to fight against COVID-19 disease, it takes roughly about 10 to 15 days for that vaccination to generate that kind of immune system, all right, to generate that kind of immunity in your body. All right, that's the reason they tell you that even after getting vaccinated, you're supposed to stay safe, you're supposed to still wear mask, you're supposed to still sanitize yourself whenever necessary, you're supposed to wash your hands and stuff like that. All right, now post getting vaccination, first dose of vaccination, you're supposed to get the second dose, which will in return boosts your immune system. Now the people who have taken vaccination and within the time period, right, that 15 days time period, if if you happen to be careless and you don't wear your mask and you happen to come in contact with a positive patient, you are still prone to get the disease, man. All right, so get vaccinated. Now your question is, now if I'm still prone to get disease, if I'm still prone to get the disease from the positive patient, what's the use of getting vaccinated, right? Now that's a fair question that what you're asking. Vaccination, once you have taken 2 doses of vaccination, after which you get COVID disease, that disease will be as simple as a cold or a mild cold. All right, now without getting vaccinated, if you get the COVID disease, you know the consequences, right? I mean, you might lose your lungs, you might lose your kidneys, you might lose your intestines, you might lose your life as well. But post getting vaccinated and you get this COVID disease, those vaccination will turn this COVID disease to as mild as cold itself. So guys, I urge you to take vaccination. A few people were complaining that government is making money out of it. Well, it's giving you for free, man. Most of the states in our country is providing vaccination for free. Please go ahead and get vaccinated. Nothing is perfect in this world. You can't expect scientists to come and provide or find out a vaccine that completely fight against COVID-19 disease, and nobody can come and guarantee you that yes, hey, you know what, this vaccination will make sure that you will never get infected. No, maybe in the future they will find such vaccination, but for now time being, I'm not telling this for the sake of being safe or for just your sake. All right, there are people in your house, elders or small kids, or there are dependents in your house who depend completely on you, right? It's not getting infected, it's all about not passing that infection to others. So I request you guys to please get vaccinated and fight against this COVID-19 disease. Let's all get vaccinated and chase this disease out of our country. There are many countries out there like Israel, US, they're all going mask free. Don't you want to go? Don't you want to see our country the same way? Don't you want to see our country as normal as it was, as it used to be before, right? So please get vaccinated, guys. From May 1st, the vaccination will be provided for all the people who are above 18 years of age. All the link to all the details about registering yourself for the vaccination, all those details, I will be giving all those details in the description below. Please go through the post and follow the instructions and register yourself for the vaccination, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.